In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Toyota wheel spacers are best.
When it comes to the best Toyota wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated and the factories only use process that has been proven to be safe. With such Toyota wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using Toyota wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand severe impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority, and the Toyota wheel spacers are made from the forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Toyota wheel spacers are continuously processed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any porosity and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more force without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Toyota wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. They are bolted to the vehicle hub, and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel lugs keep the hub spacer wheel connection stronger and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strengthening of the stud and the lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS bolts on Toyota wheel spacers come with ISO grade 1209 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality stud in the car industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificate. In general, aluminum alloy has good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterpart. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Toyota wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard anodizing. A purple hard anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be light first. This means that anodizing Toyota wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.